Hello, my name is Ben Rifkin and I'm here to show you this Design Concepts 27. This boat has been fully customized by the current owner. It has all new equipment, all new wiring, new plumbing, new electronics, new downriggers, new LifePo batteries, new LED lighting all throughout the boat. It's got a new bait tank, stereo. This whole boat has been gone through. They added bilge pumps. It's got a really nice helm here. Autopilot and VHF here, stereo. And then you've got your Evo 3s that go right here. Nice little four-peak here. You can have access to the back of the panel here. There's your electronics. Aluminum plating door, shock absorbing seat. It's got a porta potty, really nice porta potty. Everything's super clean. The headliner, new bait tank. The owner put LifePo batteries in, LEDs in all the compartments. Multiple bilge pumps. This boat has 3 bilge pumps, high capacity pumps. This is also a great feature. It's got an opening door right here that flips down. It's a really cool feature. Got multiple LEDs back here, rocket launchers. And what's nice about this boat is it's got a pretty good walk around where you can actually walk around the boat. And you've got electric windlass up here, spotlight, radar. This is an opening window here, which is also very cool. Again, all the rocket launchers on the back, LED lights everywhere. So come check it out. If you have any questions, you can call Ben Rifkin at 415-279-9886. And thanks for watching and have a great day.